All right, guys. So see all of this tree fell on that. Here's the tree right there, the pine tree. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix all of this. We're gonna take all this old wood up, and we're gonna do something that I think is gonna be very nice because this wood is rotten, and it's rotten all down through here. So we're going to try to fix something up. So back here, this is my barbecue area. So I got granite on the ground here, so which is fine, but we got to do something with this. And so that's what we're going to be doing. This is my weekend project, and I'm going to have myself doing this within finishing this up in about 2 or 3 days of me doing it myself. So I hope you guys like what I do. Let's see if we can pull it. All right, so this is going to be my barbecue area right here. I just finished the floor up, um, putting the granite down there, and I put a few more of the stepping stones there. So what I've done is I put my stepping stones here and all the way down to the she shed right there. So there's still a lot to do, a lot more to go, but I got to finish up here still. Again, I have a lot to do, so, but I just want to show you guys how it's looking so far. Alrighty guys, so I am done. I'm finished. So let me show you what I did. So I put down the stepping stones here, all the way up to the door right there, and I redid the railings right there. And so I did the step stones all the way up. I actually put me a little steps to the side right here now, so you can actually come in on the side of the back here. We got some chairs sitting out here, and finished up my granite. So my granite is done. Bought a couple of small palms to put out here, just kind of set it off a little bit. So that's my barbecue area right there. I took down the piece that was there and just cut it in half so we can get a little bit more air circulation up in there. So that's perfect. The kitchen sink is the outdoor sink is right there. Barbecue pit is right there, and of course there's the pool area right there. So got a bunch of umbrellas up because it is hot out here. A lot of umbrellas. So I fixed my string lights, so I got those back up and doing good. So they are really doing really well. So I just want to show you guys the finished product. So I'm really liking this a lot. And I show you from this area here and let it just stretch out that way. I'm really proud of it and happy. I got to do something with that, so I'm gonna put some kind of door right there. So I got to build it, and I'll probably take this part right here down, and then again I might leave it there. So anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, how you think it turned out, and I greatly appreciate everybody who watched, who comment, and all those who subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Help the channel grow. Thank you.